up with me. I like that I'm bendy with it. Oh, he's on that. Look at him. Hold on, let's see if I can get him to do it. Oh my God. Random day. Woo! Oh my God. Yo, I wish I brought my GoPro, man. I'm telling y'all. My GoPro would have saved this, bro. I was just on the highway cutting up with a SRT Scat. That joint was OD loud, like OC. Man, if I had my GoPro, bro, that was perfect content. Like, at first I was leading, and then next thing you know, bro just hit some crazy cut. He left me in the dust. Bro went off the road and everything. He almost maxed, bro. He went off the road and everything. Oh my God, this joint sounds so mean. Oh my God. I need to replace my O2 sensors. I got to get way more power. My car feels so good though. Like, I can really push my car. You hearing that, Joe? Oh my God. Sheesh. TRX. Yo! Crazy. I caught that on cam. TRX, boy. I brought my GoPro, man. Oh my gosh. I gotta start carrying a GoPro in the car. Give me a little battery. I'm gonna buy that little battery kit so I could just change out the battery real quick. Cause bro, my GoPro stay dying, bro. That's why I don't have it on me all the time. I gotta get the little kit, 2 battery packs, the wireless charging joint. Y'all, I appreciate the love on my last video. I'm not gonna lie. Appreciate the love. Appreciate all the new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all tap in, bro. Hit that subscribe button. Notifications. My headlights come in Monday. That's what they claim. My headlights come in Monday. I'm telling y'all, that content better be slapping. Sheesh. Oh my God. I'm one hand in this joint too. Downshifting, that joint sounds so mean. Oh my God. Like, that made me want to have my verbals back. Like, I can't even compete. Like, my car is loud, but not to no V8, bro. Like, come on. Like, my junk not gonna be nowhere near as loud as that, bro. You hear that? Oh my God. Sheesh. I need to get that intake in. Oh my God. Y'all don't understand. For me, listen, for me, my car's been down for a little minute. That's why I wasn't posting. So for me, it's like I got a brand new car. Like, it's like I got a brand new tuned car. That's how it feels for me. Like, for me, it's like something brand new for me. For y'all, it may be the same content, but for me, man, I got my baby back. Hopefully the wind not OD. That'll be bad. Yeah, man. I don't know. Sheesh. Change my O2 sensors, and yeah, I know I was supposed to change my O2 sensors before I tuned my car, and like I probably shouldn't have put it into my downpipe before doing that, before like getting some new ones, but they were working fine before, so it happened like the whole problem situation happened like randomly. So I think everything started to go out. Once one thing started going out, I think everything else started to go out. Like, fuel injectors got real clogged up real bad. It had like so much carbon on the end, bro. Like, it wasn't spraying right. I checked it with my ISTA. It said that they were failing. Like, they were way off. And then I changed my spark plugs. I changed my ignition coils. Oil change, that's normal. Y'all burning gas, gang. Like, not from anything, but like I've been pushing this car the whole day, bro. Not like OD. Like, I haven't been in sport, but like when I had to travel to, it's like maybe started at 400 miles, bro. At the beginning of the day. At the beginning of the day, 400 miles. So I just been burning gas. Like, I've been in sport the whole time, shifting OD. But it's obvious that sport's gonna burn more gas. I ain't really worried about that. But for me, man, my car is fixed, bro. I'm gonna have fun. It's a whole another experience. Oh, somebody asked about how I got the running burbles. Like, yeah, I think it's just because I have the straight pipe exhaust, so like I don't really gotta do too much. I'm just in sport. If you go in regular sport, it'll do it on its own anyway. So like, cause regular sport, the computer shifts for you, so you don't really gotta do nothing. But sometimes I go in manual. It just depends. Like right here, I'll probably go like, you know what I'm saying? can hit it with it. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy though. You could do either or. And then sometimes I'll hit it like this. I'll just hit the gas real hard. Hold on, let me get it down. Just be like, let me get it down. My burbles is low too, so sometimes like when I'm in 4th gear, my burbles be loud, like it'd be OD. But when I'm in like 2nd, 1st, 2nd, it be quiet, man. But before, when I be in, what's the one called? When I used to be at max burbles, that was OD. I'll never go back to max burbles, bro. That was OD, man. That's how you destroy your car, man. I had to learn. Like ever since I went that, bro, everything started going downhill. I would never return. I would never do that again. All right, YouTube. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all new. Turn on post notifications. I'm gonna drop another video soon. You don't want to miss it. And we out, man. Peace. Y'all, listen. I know I finished the video off. This is like next day. I got a new O2 sensor. This joint, like, that hesitation, that little hiccup is gone, bruh. And I got my burbles up. Retune. Y'all hear that jump? Oh my God. When I get my GoPro, y'all be able to hear that jump. I don't got my burbles max. I just went 1 up from what it was. So that jump, oh my God, this car feels so good, man. Woo! Oh my God. Man, the POVs are back, bro. They are back. My headlights come tomorrow. Hopefully they make it here. Hopefully they make it here, man. Sheesh. All right, y'all. We'll catch y'all in the next video.